Welcome back. Now, the college goers in Madhya Pradesh will, in fact, they will have to be taught books that will be penned by the Sangh leaders, what we're getting to know. Now, in a letter to the government and the private colleges, the Higher Education Department has asked them to buy include written by the writers who are connected to the RSS. And this has, in fact, created controversy in Madhya Pradesh, with the Congress latching on to the BJP, asking whether or not such books can be taught to the children in Madhya Pradesh, and that these writers are in fact not connected to the education but connected to the to the RSS. BJP has hit back at the Congress party. Listen in to the war of words.
आरएसएस अपने विचार को डालने के लिए कभी नफरत की राजनीति पढ़ा रही है, जो कहीं ना कहीं एक गोडसे की विचारधारा से मिलती है। देश महात्मा गांधी के विचारों पे चला है और उसी विचारों पे चलेगा। अभी भी हम कोर्ट से जाके इसकी खिलाफत करेंगे और स्पष्ट रूप से ज्ञान प्रकोष्ठ को अज्ञान प्रकोष्ठ नहीं बनने देंगे।
कांग्रेस से मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कि हम तो शिक्षा का भगवाकरण कर रहे हैं, क्यों नहीं करेंगे? भगवाकरण करने से अगर देशभक्ति का भाव जागृत होता है, उनके अंदर व्यक्तित्व का निर्माण होता है, उन पुस्तकों से पढ़ने से तो जरूर भगवाकरण होना चाहिए। अकबर महान पढ़ाएंगे इस देश के अंदर, तो ये अच्छा लगता है कांग्रेस को। कांग्रेस तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति करती आई है।
देखिए, ये वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने मैकाले की शिक्षा पद्धति को लागू करके इस देश की संस्कृति और परंपराओं को छिन्न भी नहीं किया। आज जब भारत सशक्त हो रहा है, भारत की परंपराएं जो वैदिक ज्ञान रहा उसको बढ़ावा दिया जा रहा, तो इनको तकलीफ होना स्वाभाविक है, क्योंकि इनकी मानसिकता देश के क्रांतिकारियों को भी आतंकवादी बताने वाली रही है।
यह वही आरएसएस है जिसने स्वतंत्रता दिवस के पहले हमारे तिरंगे को अपना राष्ट्रीय ध्वज मानने से ही इनकार कर दिया था। और जिन लोगों ने तिरंगे के स्थान पर भगवे को राष्ट्रध्वज माना हो, क्या वो देश की पूरी आवाम का रोल मॉडल हो सकता है? सरकार में बैठे लोगों द्वारा संघ का कर्ज चुकाने का एक कुप्रयास है। हमारी सरकार आने के बाद यह आदेश वापस लिया जाएगा।
My colleague Govind joins us live on the broadcast. Govind, this academic controversy has erupted in Madhya Pradesh. Of course, the war of words erupts between Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Take us through the war of words.
Yeah, absolutely. Many voices from the opposition side are being raised, in fact, and the big thing is what we can understand, that after releasing the notification of the list of, in fact, attaching the list of those books which will be taught to the college students authored by, in fact, RSS leaders. Now Congress party is saying that if they come in the power, they'll just cancel this whole notification and order, in fact, because they're saying that RSS is having the policy of teaching hatred, and they don't consider even tricolor as the national flag. So these are the points Congress are raising. Congress, in fact, raising and claiming that if they come in the power, they'll cancel this order. And on the other side, BJP is claiming that Congress party always believe in the policy of Macaulay education policy. In fact, from the Britishers era, they just believe in the education like. But here, V.D. Sharma also saying that if Bhagwakaran of education is being for the patriotism of the nation, representing the patriotism of the nation, so what is wrong in that? So allegations and counter allegations are started, in fact, after releasing this order and notification of with that list in which names of those RSS leaders who have authored these books will be included in education policy, in fact, higher education policy in Madhya Pradesh. So definitely the new controversy has erupted over the teaching method in which BJP government has issued the order, in which it has been declared and ordered, in fact, to include those books who have been authored by the respective RSS leaders, and Congress parties just attacking and opposing this kind of order.
Well, thank you, Govind, for all the details. Now, academic controversy has erupted in Madhya Pradesh, and in syllabus will be RSS-related books will, in fact, be taught to the college goers there. With this, we're heading into a really short break. We'll be right back with more news and updates. Stay with us.